Nephew, hey, I'm just coming over here to, I'm finna get your yard together. You ain't gotta come out here right now. I'm finna get your yard together, alright? Alright. Nephew, you can hear me?
Man, what you want, Uncle? What I told you about smoking on my porch, man? Smoke around my house.
Hey, nephew.
What?
Come out here and give me my $20 now. I done cleaned your yard out for you.
Man, I ain't getting you $20. I ain't tell you to do that.
Come on, nephew. I need this money.
Who told you to do that,
I ain't got time to play right now, nephew.
I ain't playing with you. I got kids around here. They can do that, man, for the free.
So you ain't gonna get my money, nephew?
Hell no.
Alright, I got something for you, nephew.
You ain't got nothing for me. You about to get from around my house. Hey, what you doing? That's petty, that petty, bro. You gonna do me like that, Okay, I got something for you, boy.
Don't ever play with my money, nephew.
Don't come back round here.